So I'm back on Facebook Marketplace, man, and today I found clean builds, JDM builds, of course, man. So we got the RX-7, king of JDM, man. Obviously, this is a people's favorite car, man. Not my favorite, I can't lie. I love the way it looks and everything, but definitely there is so many more cars that I would prefer than this, I can't lie. So these are all the statistics, as you can see, 600 horsepower, of course, built engine, man, 1.3 rotary, man, so the Vankler engine, and these are all the stats. If you want to see, stop the video and have a look for yourself. But let's get into the pictures, man. So first picture, damn, perfect, man. This is the sort of car that you need splitters, you need spoilers, man, you need nice things on it, because stock, we all know the stock one doesn't look too nice, man. So I love the carbon hood, love the splitters, man. Those wheels look perfect, man. The color and everything, it all flows together so perfectly. It's actually crazy, man. The big wing, man. The big wing goes crazy. That's the thing, man. Some cars don't need big wings, man. Some of these cars you see driving around, man, they don't need big wings. This is the car that suits the big wing, man. Got a nice exhaust pipe, big diffuser, man. Everything, look, the splitters here even, man. It just looks amazing. Fully built engine, 600 horsepower, man. Like I said, 1.3 rotary engine. The colors on it, man, looks crazy, man. Looks crazy, man. This is, I'm even repeating myself. That's how crazy it is, man. I love the way it looks, man. Someone's actually took their time to build this, man, and everything, put everything together the way it is. It's clean as fuck, man. There's literally nothing I would change in it, man. Look at the gauges and everything. Just wow, man. Look, this car is old, but look at the condition of this shit, man. It looks perfect. It looks literally, there's nothing I would actually change about this car, man. Of course, manual, man. Everything, the center console is stock, which looks nice. Of course, man. Got a big roll bar in there as well. The big wing, of course, man. Yeah, that's pretty much it, but yeah, love the way it looks. I'm not the biggest fan, but I still love the way it looks. Let's move on to the next one. Right, now moving on to one of my favorite cars personally, man. I know a lot of people won't agree with me, man, but 200 SX, this car looks beautiful, man. Especially the one I found here, man. Some people overdo these. They don't need to be overdone for them to look clean, man. This is the most clean example I've seen yet, man. I can't lie. So here are all the stats of it. 420 horsepower built engine, man. Looks amazing. It's fucking, stop the video if you want to know something, of course. Let's get into it. So wow, look at the gloss on this, man. It just looks perfect. Everything about this car is perfect. Bright seats inside, man. The wheels, man, the colors, everything just flows so nicely. It's unreal. The stance on it, man. The mirrors, man. The spoiler is not too big, which is good, man. This is the sort of build, man, I want to have, man. This is clean. Wow, man. The semi-slicks on this car, man, it just fits so perfect. The big exhaust on one side, of course, man. And the color, man, the black color, man. These do look nice in the grey color as well. But anything other than that, man, it's nice, of course. But I reckon black and grey, especially this example, man, looks perfect. Especially that little lip as well there on the back window, man. Looks good. Looks good as fuck, man. There's nothing I would actually change about this car, man. The stickers, nothing's overdone, man. Damn, man, nothing I would absolutely change in this car, man. There's literally nothing, man. Look, even got a bit of carbon fiber in there, but it goes perfect, man. It fits. Then, of course, we got the engine, man. Look how clean this shit is, man. Not too many colors, nothing like that, but it's clean, bro. The chrome is chrome. It ain't changed color, man. The black cover, man, the valve cover black. The bar as well. Everything looks perfect, man. There's nothing, absolutely nothing I would change in this car, man. Wow. So you got fold-up steering wheel, man. You got Bride bucket seats, and these are bucket seats, bro. Look how fucking deep they are, bro. It's probably hard to get in and out of this car as well, man. But nah, man, this is just a perfect and a clean example of what a 200 SX can actually look like, man. Literally, the roll bar inside, man. Perfect, man. But let's move on to the next one, see what else we... Right, the next car, man. We all know this is another people's favorite, man. People love these cars, man. So it's a Nissan Silvia S15, man, and it's clean as fuck. So Spec S, make R, S15. I'm not a big fan of these, so I do not know much about these. But these are all the details here. If you want to stop and see, have a look yourself, man. See what's done to it. But let's get into the pictures, man. First picture, beautiful, man. Like I said, I'm not a big fan, but I do love this one, man. It's clean, it's simple, man, and that's how it should be, man. So, red, beautiful color. You got some nice wheels on there. The stance on it is perfect. No big spoiler, nothing's overdone, man. Look at the back of it. It's clean, and nothing. Like, you don't need anything else on this car for it to look amazing, literally, man. As long as the engine is built and it's got power, then it's all good. It's all good, man. Got a nice sports drift steering wheel, of course. All the gauges, everything is perfect condition. As you can see, man, the seat is a bit dirty here, but that's nothing, man. That's nothing. The car's got age on it, man. So if everything's original, then that's perfect, man. That is literally perfect. You got some extra gauges as well, I saw there on top. Then you've got the engine base, clean, man. Matches the color on the outside. Then, of course, the cover is black and white. Got some blue in there as well. The chrome is actually chrome. It ain't changed color, man. Literally nothing wrong with this car. The back seats as well, man. Clean as fuck for the age, man. Beautiful, man. The only thing I would change is the calipers. I would change the color, get them painted, man, because they are a bit scratched up and they are gold. I don't know. For me, it doesn't fit, man. It doesn't fit. But yeah, clean car overall. Let's move on to the next one. So we're back to the king of JDMs, man. So GTR R34, man, with the RB26 engine. Is fully built. As you can see, these are all the statistics here, man. It looks amazing, this car. But 7.6 million baht, man. That's just way too overpriced at the moment, man. But let's get into the pictures, man. This is a clean build, of course. You've got the color, man. This is an iconic color for this car, man. It looks amazing. Black wheels, because you don't need anything else, man. The spoiler is perfect as well, so it's an original spoiler. The car is fully, basically original the way it came out, man. GTR badge on the front with a nice little splitter, man. You don't need anything else on this car. Perfect, man. Look at the back of it. Nice badge again, GTR, and those iconic lights, of course, man. Damn, man, I love the way this looks, man. This is a coupe beast from the 90s, man. This is what it was all about, man. The little bit of carbon on the spoiler, man. This car is amazing, man. Needs more wheels, of course, as you just saw. Then you got the stock steering wheel, man. You got stock wheels. Everything inside is stock. I'm pretty sure they even came out with a screen, some of them. So I'm pretty sure everything here is stock, man. This car just looks amazing, man. The condition of everything as well, man. Look at them seats. They look perfect, man. They look perfect. Literally, there's nothing I would change about this car, man. The seats as well in the back, man, and the engine, man. Look at that. Look at the color matching. Anyway, look at the wow, man. So big turbo, of course, cold air intake, man, with the color is matching on the valve covers, man. It looks amazing, man, with a bar in the middle. Got the chrome everywhere. Damn, nothing I would change about this car, man. Literally nothing. Carbon hood, man. Phew. This car looks amazing. Literally, man. Perfect example, perfect example. Let's move on to the next one. Right, so over here, man, we got another king of JDMs, man, and this car I actually really love. I can't find another one. This is the only one I found in Thailand, man. So it's the Honda NSX 1993, obviously king of JDM with a Liberty Walk kit, man. This car is crazy, man. So 3-litre, of course, man, 7 million baht. Another crazy price, man. Basically a similar price to the R34. I don't know, man. These pictures as well. Can't really see much, but the body looks crazy. The color is clean, man. The wheels are clean. The stickers fit where they're meant to be, man. Everything about it is clean. Look at the spoiler. Damn, man. Honestly, some people would say it's overdone maybe. For me, I don't think that's overdone yet. That's just clean, man. It's not overdone yet. It is perfect. Just look at this, man. Look at the body on it. Everything. Some of these pictures, I don't know, man. But obviously, pop-up lights, man. Crazy car, man. You got some stickers on it. The wheels are insane. You can see they are semi-deep dished. Wow, man. There's literally nothing I would change on this car, man. I would just buy it and let it sit in the garage, man. Probably be even scared to drive this shit. It's so low to the ground, man. In Thailand, you're going to scratch up everything and break your bumpers and everything, man. That's how it is, man. But damn, that is clean, man. That is so... Oh, there you go. That's a better picture, man. This is clean, boy. Wow. Damn, bro. The inside, oh, it's automatic, unfortunately, but got the original steering wheel, man. Everything inside looks pretty original as well, genuine. Yep, you can see nothing has been changed, man. All stock, which is nice, of course, for cars like this, man. And yeah, the car is just perfect, man. But yeah, that's it for today's video, man. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.